Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. Drizzly day here in Hinton, West Virginia is where I'm at today. I'm in Greg Berry's campground. He has a, it's a long-term camping here just outside of Hinton, West Virginia. And yeah, you can tell you're in West Virginia. Yeah, that's why I tell people that come to West Virginia, they call and they push the auto level on their leveling system and things are all messed up. I say, never use auto level in West Virginia because that won't work. So what are we working on today? A furnace. It's going to get cool again for the next few days, so this lady would like to have some heat. She called and said the furnace has made a horrible noise. She knows she had a mouse. She caught a mouse. So I'm wondering if we have a mouse in the furnace, in the squirrel cage fan. So let's go over and get started. It's got an outside door, so let's go over and get that door off real quick. Take a peek in there and see what we see. And we will see what we see. You see? Okay, let's do that. All right, here we are over at the furnace. Oh, let me get this last screw out here. Get this door off, see what is going on here. There's that guy. What's he doing in there? Alrighty. Let us see here. Fan feels okay. Let me go grab a light. Peek down in there. Oh yeah, we have a mouse. So there's 4 screws hold this cover on. Let me go get some different tools and we'll get this cover off and we'll get old Mickey out of there. I don't know what Mickey's doing hanging around in there anyway. Alrighty. Some screws have a 1/4 inch head on them back in there. Let me reach way back in there. You know what? I might be able to grab that dude with a pair of pliers. Let's go grab a pair of pliers. If he's not all decomposed and molded to the squirrel cage fan, I might be able to get him out. Ta-da! He's a little dead. Yeah. Let me spin it. Right after I pulled the mouse out, I noticed my battery died. I'm not sure whether I got him, but yeah, I pulled him right out of there. I'm gonna look down in there and make sure there wasn't a second one. You think if there was a second one, it may have balanced themselves out. So I could see down in there pretty good. I know y'all can't, but I can. I see no more meese. Is that the plural for mouse? Or is it mouses? I don't know. Meese, mouses, mouse, mice? That's probably it. We don't say mice in West Virginia, we say mouses. So, yeah, let's, so yeah, I'm going in to kick a furnace on and see. It sounds good. I didn't even try it because she said, yeah, I mean, that little mouse in that squirrel cage fan will cause that thing to be severely out of balance and really, it can destroy the furnace. It can break the motor mounts. It can break the squirrel cage fans. Looks like all the fins are good on the squirrel cage fan, and I would say the motor mounts are good because it doesn't really wiggle. So let's go kick it on, see how it sounds now, because I haven't heard it yet. Y'all could hear, but I had y'all pointed up. As you hear, we're good. Let me put this door back on real quick. Well, that was easy peasy. I tell you folks, I needed an easy peasy. I actually had two easy peasies today. One was a kind of a callback. Wasn't really a callback either, but the guy that had the smoked the inverter, which I think was just a video or two before this one, he was packing up to leave, got the rooms part way in, they quit working, kicked a breaker to power the hydraulic pumps, went over there, reset the breaker, got him all folded up, got him hooked up to his truck, and he hit the road. It's all good. Then I come down here, had to get old Mickey out of the squirrel cage fan. So yeah, I'm just glad to have an easy day. It's about time, folks. Frustrating. The P-trap video, really stupid job. Couple videos before that and after that, just really stupid stuff. So head scratchers, some of them just stupid. So that's gonna be it. Don't y'all be stupid. Get down in that comment section, leave me a comment of criticism and concern. Don't forget to go to my website, check out everything going on there. And I am not gonna go up the road and fix no, and this is it for today, I think. Well, I haven't checked the phone. Let's see. Y'all have a great day, and we'll catch you next time.